Guys, I've been obsessing over this mixed fruit juice or smoothie, whatever you want to call it. Look at this. This is so pretty, so beautiful. I love it.
This drink is inspired by my Umrah trip last year. This was all over Mecca and Medina, and I had it every day to break my fast. Also, if you're a Lemfi user, then you will get a chance to win an Umrah package. How exciting is that? Lemfi is a money transfer app, and you can use this app to send money to your loved ones. Now, I can't wait for you to go to Umrah, make lots of dua, and don't forget to try this recipe. Also, check out my description for the promo code.